Greetings, young people of the interwebs, and today I've decided to tackle the gear linkage on the ZS, and obviously because I've decided to do that, it's raining, but luckily I'll be spending most of my time underneath the car on the floor, so maybe I'll not get as wet unless it rains a lot. So yeah, let's have a look, see what we've got to tackle, and how we're going to start. I'm preempting getting this out at garage, so at least I expect there's going to be a couple of things that need lubricating. Oh, there we go, you can see now. So we've got a bit of a light here, but the first thing I need to do, oh god, while I get further under the car, is this bolt here is the one that connects it to the shifter. That other bolt behind it appears to just be a bolt holding a weight on to try and make the gear shift weightier, which is odd. You'd have thought they'd just make this pipe a bit heavier, but there we go. So that's my first job, is to try and get that out of there. So as you can see, I've managed to get that bolt out and separate it from the bottom of the shifter, which was a bit of a tricky thing, because obviously it's been there for years and years and years and not moved. So well, it's a bit blurry, isn't it? Let's see if that's any better. Probably not. So yeah, that's that bit separated. These are the bolt. This is the bolt that came out, and these are the rubber cup things that's supposed to be like, I assume, like dust shields, but they're going back on because I'm not going to find any more. So the next bit, if I can spin you half round and work my way around what's in here, is this bit. So specifically this little pin. Now I need to find something where I can knock that through, and then I can take this bit off. And the main reason I'm doing this is because this bit needs grinding off, or this bit, or both through. No, this bit needs grinding off this rivety thing, and then we put this new bit, bolt it onto there, and then pin it through there with a new pin and everything. So that's the next job. I have been defeated by this stupid little pin. So I need to go and get some pin punchers or something suitable for knocking that out, because I tried making do with finding random things that are around the same size, and it won't budge. I even tried drilling it, but I knew I was off to a bad start, so they're going to be hard and steel. So, and I'm pretty sure it definitely needs something in there, because you can see how much play there is there. I'm pretty sure there shouldn't be that much, but there's even amounts in this anyway. So at least replacing this should get rid of some of it. But yeah, there's quite a lot of play in that. So let's get a proper punch on it. I don't think I could get grinder in to get these off while it's in situ anyway, so I can't even half job it. Don't think I need to get rid of that though. Just that. So, half defeated by a pin. So I need to go up to an hardware shop and get some pin punchers, because we've managed to drift the pin out so far, but now we're a bit stuck. So we need to get some pin punchers, see if we can get it completely out, and then we can carry on with our endeavour. You ready? I don't know whether this is ironic or just silly. How can you chain up bolt cutters? Surely you can just cut through them. So everything's back together again. So this pin that was under this collar here, we had to go and get some actual punches. Once we'd got the right punches, it came out quite easily. So that's a word of advice: always have the right tools. This is the new dark ice bracket. That once we'd got that pin out and took the bar off, that was a doddle to put back in. I think my kit had been open because it had got two lots of one type of bush in it already, and it looked a bit weird. So we've fastened that up. I've re-greased the bit back there. So if my dad just wobbles the gear stick around a bit, you can see now on that shaft, before there was loads of play, but now there's no play at all. So that's jobbed. So from inside, if my assistant demonstrates, the shaft's not as floppy anymore. It moves back to centre, whereas before it had just leaned to whichever side you left it at. So there we go. Well, it's been quite a productive day. Managed to do the gear linkage on the ZS, and I've cleaned Margaret's. I've cleaned Gen Z's engine bay up, but lost the label that goes around the expansion tank. But never mind. So hope this has been at least a tiny bit useful. Some people there. So if you don't mind, click like, subscribe, leave a comment, share with your friends, and most importantly, share with your gynecologists.